Most creators are still paying $30, $50, even $100 every single month just to generate AI videos and images. What if I told you that Google Veo 3.1, one of the most powerful AI video tools available right now, is sitting right in front of you, completely free, with no watermark, no generation limits, and no tricks? I am not talking about one of those free trials where you generate 4 videos and then hit a wall and have to wait a full month for your quota to reset. I am talking about full, unrestricted access for 30 days, with cinematic quality video, native audio baked right into every clip, and the ability to share that same access with up to 4 other people on one account. On top of that, you also get unlimited access to Nano 2, Google's latest and most powerful image generation model, all inside a platform that most creators are completely sleeping on. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to get in, how to set up your account the right way, how to generate professional images and AI videos, and how to build a content system around it that costs you absolutely nothing. Let us get into it. How to get access for free. Open your browser and search for Gemini Business. From the search results, click the first link, which is the official Google result. This takes you to the Gemini for Google Workspace page. Now, here is where most people get confused right away. The page is going to ask you to enter a work email. Do not let that stop you. You do not need a company email address. Simply type in your regular Gmail address, the same one you use every day, and click Continue. You will now land on the plan selection page, and this is where 90% of people close the tab and leave, because they see pricing and assume they have to pay. Stay on this page. You will see 2 plan options, an annual plan and a monthly plan. We are choosing the monthly plan, which shows $25 per seat, but look closely at the bottom left corner of your screen. The total amount due right now says $0. That is because monthly subscribers get up to 5 seats completely free for the first 30 days. Your payment information will only be used if you decide to continue after the trial ends, which we are going to make sure does not happen automatically. For the number of seats, increase it to 5. I will explain exactly what seats mean in a moment. You will be asked to enter your country. Go ahead and select it. After that, enter your contact information and your payment details. If your details are already saved in your Google account, they will autofill. Entering payment information here is safe and does not mean you are being charged right now. It is only a requirement to activate the trial. Once you have filled everything in, click subscribe. In a few seconds, your account will be activated. Google will then ask whether you want to connect your data right away or do it later. You can skip this for now and do it later. Congratulations, you now have a full Gemini Business Workspace active and ready. Before we start generating anything, let me quickly walk you through the dashboard so you know exactly where everything lives. On the left sidebar, you will see a few key areas. The library is where all your generated media is stored, meaning every image and video you create will be saved there. Under Agents, you will find Deep Research and Notebook LM, which are incredibly powerful tools for research and content automation. The main chat window in the center is where you will run all your prompts for research, image generation, and video generation. Cancel the subscription before you forget. Before we dive into content generation, I want to quickly show you 2 things: how to invite other people to your account and how to cancel your subscription. We are doing both of these now before we touch anything else, because you have already added your bank details, and if you are one of those people who forgets to cancel and wakes up 1 month later to find their money has been chopped, this right here is going to save you. Let us start with inviting people. Click on Settings and Help on the left sidebar, hover over your team, and click on Manage Team. From this page, click on Teams. You will see that it is only your account connected right now, and we still have 4 free slots wide open. On the top right, you will see a button to invite others. Click on it and go ahead and enter email addresses, up to 4, but I will only add 2 for now. Once you are done, click Next. Here you can assign roles to the people you are inviting. The user role means they will only access the account for research, image, and video generation. Administrator means they will have full access and full rights to manage the account. Since all the emails I am adding are my own other accounts, I will set them as administrators and click Send Invites. Each of these people will receive an invitation to Gemini Business by email. All they need to do is tap Accept Invite and follow the steps to finish the login process and become part of your team. Once their invites have been accepted, refresh your browser and you will see those accounts added right there on your screen. Now, let me show you how to cancel the subscription so we do not get charged after the trial period ends. Click on Billing from the left sidebar. You can see right here that we have free and unlimited access all the way up to June 13th. And beyond that, we would be charged $125, which we do not want. Click on Manage Plan, then Cancel. Now here it will show you a message that says all invited users will lose access when the billing period ends. Do not be alarmed by this. It simply means we still have full access throughout this entire 30-day trial period, and our plan will not renew and we will not be charged at all. So go ahead and click Cancel Plan. That is it. We are now completely free to generate content without worrying about forgetting to cancel and having our money chopped. Click Back to Chat, and now it is time to get some free images and videos. Research with deep reasoning. We are going to start with research. Assume you want to start a YouTube Shorts channel, but you are stuck at picking a niche and you have no idea where to begin. This is the prompt I am pasting in, which asks Gemini for the 10 best niches ranked by growth potential, monetization, speed, and competition level. From those 10, it should also recommend the single best niche and give a proven 30-day action plan to monetize it first. Before you hit submit, make sure you have selected 3.1 Pro mode for deep reasoning. You will see the model selector right there at the bottom of the chat. Switch it to 3.1 Pro because this is what activates the deep research capability. You can also connect external apps like Notion, GitHub, OneDrive, or Google Drive, or upload your own files such as images or documents to give the research more context and sharper results. Once you are set, go ahead and submit. In a moment, you will get a research plan laid out right on your screen. It covers 3 phases: landscape analysis and niche identification, competitive analysis and niche shortlisting, and a data-driven niche recommendation with a full action plan. You can review this plan and suggest changes before it runs, so instead of getting random output, you are actually guiding the research in the right direction. If everything looks good, click Start Research. Since this is deep research, it may take a little time because it is actively pulling information from multiple sources to make sure everything it gives you is accurate and backed by real data. While we wait, I want to quickly mention something. I recently created a private community where I teach you from scratch how to create and run a faceless YouTube channel and monetize it within a few months using AI tools. The link is in the description below. It is a step-by-step system that actually works, not guesswork. In a few seconds, you will get a full report backed by the latest 2026 information with a complete list of the 10 top YouTube Shorts niches ranked from the best down. For example, the top niche in my result is AI and tech explainers, rated with very fast growth potential, very low competition, and a CPM range of $0.15 to $0.45 per 1,000 views, with strong subscriber conversion on every video. This kind of research that used to take hours now takes minutes, and honestly, this report alone, if you act on it, can change the entire direction of your channel. If you want this exact prompt, drop a comment below and I will send it to you. You also get an audio preview at the bottom of the report that summarizes everything. You can download it and listen to it later, whenever it is convenient for you. Image generation. Now this is where things start getting really interesting because I am not just going to show you how to generate images. I am going to show you real use cases that you can apply to your workflow today. Go ahead and open a new chat to keep your workspace clean and organized. Click on Tools at the bottom of the chat input and select Generate Images with Nano Banana 2. This is Google's most advanced image generation model, and what it produces is a significant step above anything you get inside the standard Gemini interface. The first use case is thumbnail generation, and this one alone is worth the price of admission, except we are paying nothing. Upload a photo of yourself or your AI character directly into the chat. Then write a prompt that describes the background you want, how the character should be positioned on the thumbnail, and any text that should appear on the image. At the very end of your prompt, add the word horizontal to tell the model to generate in the 16:9 aspect ratio that YouTube thumbnails require. Then hit generate. In a moment, you will get a nice looking thumbnail right there on your screen. After regenerating, I got an even better version, and when you combine it with the video title, that is exactly how your video would appear on YouTube. And trust me, if you stumbled on this, you would click it. The best part is that your images are generated with absolutely no watermark, even though we are using Google Gemini. This is unlike the official Gemini page and Google AI Studio, where watermarks are added to everything you generate. So if you have been struggling to design thumbnails manually or spending money hiring expensive designers, this saves you a lot. Creating photorealistic characters. Now here is where it gets even better. If you run a faceless channel and you have been looking for a way to create a branded AI avatar or a locked consistent character for your storytelling videos, this next use case is exactly what you need. In your prompt, describe the visual style you are going for, the age and ethnicity of the character, and very specific physical details like hair texture, eye color, and skin tone. Also include camera properties like lighting style and depth of field. Add the word square for a 1:1 aspect ratio and generate. The secret to avoiding that plastic fake AI look that most people get is specificity. The more precisely you describe the physical details in your prompt, the more photorealistic the output becomes. Look at the hair texture, the skin, the eyes on this result. It is genuinely difficult to tell this is AI generated, and that level of realism is what builds trust with your audience. If you want the full prompting formula I personally use to generate consistent high realism characters, I have a full tutorial dedicated to it, and I will link it in the description below. Image editing. Generating images from scratch is only half of what this tool can do. You can also use Nano 2 to edit existing images, and this opens up a completely different level of possibilities. Upload any portrait photo into the chat, whether it is the character you just generated or your own real photo, then write instructions describing exactly how you want the final image to look. Describe the backdrop, the lighting, the outfit style, hair, makeup, all of it. Add horizontal at the end and hit generate. What comes back looks like it was shot inside a professional photo studio. The background, the lighting, the composition, the styling, everything matches what you described, and the result is studio quality at zero cost. This single feature alone replaces an entire photography production budget for creators who need high-quality professional visuals on a regular basis. No camera, no studio, no photographer, nothing. The last use case, and honestly one of the most powerful for anyone building a storytelling channel, is generating consistent characters across multiple scenes. This is what makes long-form AI storytelling and storyboard-style content actually possible at scale. Upload your reference image and then write a separate prompt for each scene you want to create. If you are making content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, or Facebook, include the word vertical in each prompt to get the right aspect ratio. What the model does is hold your character completely consistent through every single generation. The face, the skin texture, and all the defining features stay identical while the environment and the outfit change to match each new scene. Same person, different world, every time. This right here is the foundation of a scalable AI content system that you can run entirely without a camera and without ever showing your face. And we have not even touched the video generation yet. Video generation with Veo 3.1. Finally, here is the part most of you have been waiting for, and I am going to show you exactly how to generate videos with Veo 3.1 with sound and native audio at no cost and no limits. Go ahead and create a new chat, then click on Tools and select Create Videos. Let us first see how it handles camera movement and realism with a drone shot test. I have written a detailed prompt describing the scene, the landscape, the lighting, and the exact camera movement I want, and I am hitting generate now. Here is our drone shot. The video looks cinematic, it follows the prompt accurately, and the lens flares add a layer of realism that makes it feel like actual footage. The clip also comes with ambient sound already built in, and you can hear the drone noise in the background without adding anything manually. And the good news is, it is generated with absolutely no watermark, unlike most other free tools out there. The next test is multi-dialogue, which involves a conversation between two people talking back and forth. Here is the prompt I am using, and I will go ahead and hit generate. I have left all the prompts used in this video in the description below, so you can copy them directly. Alright, let us see what it has cooked.
But do you know these days, time runs faster? Why you laugh?
I am allergic to your bullshit.
No comment. The video came out really good. Each person speaks one at a time. There is no dialogue overlap whatsoever, and the scene stays connected from start to finish. This is a huge advantage if you want to generate storytelling videos because you can now build fully scripted scenes with multiple characters and zero filming equipment. This platform also allows you to convert a still image into a video, and this last feature is honestly one of the most powerful things I have tested. I have uploaded an image directly into the chat and added a short prompt that includes dialogue. Now, before you generate, one important thing to keep in mind. If you do not want your character speaking random words, make sure you specify exactly what it should say in your prompt and also describe the tone of the voice you want. Here is the result.
They thought a woman could not hold this throne, that we are too soft, too weak.
Honestly, I do not see a single flaw in this video. The camera slowly zooms in as she speaks, the lip sync matches perfectly, and she looks incredibly realistic, especially in the skin details. This right here is the full power of Veo 3.1, and we got all of it for free. That's the complete Veo 3.1 workflow inside Gemini Business. From research to image generation to full cinematic video with native audio, all at zero cost, no watermarks, and no generation limits for 30 days. If you are building an AI content system and you are tired of paying for 5 different tools just to stay competitive, this is the one setup worth your time right now. Hit the like button if this saved you money today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss what I am dropping next. And check the description to join my private community here. I teach you how to build a YouTube channel from scratch. I will see you in the next one.